What if I showed you some of the top AI tools for marketing your business that could save you time and money? Stay tuned because in this video, I will introduce you to 9 of the best AI tools that can transform your business operations, helping you work smarter and more effectively. Let's get straight into the video right now. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it significantly impacts various careers, making it crucial for professionals to adapt to these new technologies. Embracing artificial intelligence not only streamlines processes but also opens up new avenues for innovation and efficiency. This video aims to introduce you to some of the top artificial intelligence tools that can transform your business operations, helping you work smarter and more effectively. We will explore exciting tools designed to boost efficiency, from automating mundane tasks to generating creative content that captivates audiences. By leveraging these technologies, businesses can stay ahead of the competition and unlock their full potential. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this video will provide valuable insights into the AI tools that can elevate your business strategy. Get ready to discover how these innovative solutions can revolutionize the way you work and inspire your creativity in the workplace. Presentations AI revolutionizes the way we create presentations by simplifying the entire process, making it accessible for everyone. To get started, users can follow a straightforward step-by-step process. First, you select a template that suits your topic, which provides a solid foundation for your slides. Next, you input your content, and the platform automatically formats it, ensuring a professional look without the hassle of manual adjustments. This automation significantly saves time, allowing you to focus on the message rather than the design. Once the initial slides are created, Presentations AI offers the flexibility to customize each slide further. You can easily modify layouts, change colors, and add images or graphics to align with your vision. This combination of automation and customization not only enhances efficiency but also empowers users to create visually appealing presentations that resonate with their audience. By streamlining the presentation creation process, Presentations AI enables professionals to deliver impactful messages while saving valuable time, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their presentation game. Coral AI is an innovative tool designed to streamline the process of summarizing PDF documents, making it an invaluable resource for users who need quick insights from extensive texts. The platform interacts seamlessly with users by allowing them to upload their PDF files, after which it employs advanced algorithms to analyze the content and generate concise summaries. This feature is particularly beneficial for researchers and students who often grapple with large volumes of information, enabling them to grasp key points without wading through pages of text. Imagine how much time and effort could have been saved in the past if you had access to such a tool, whether it was for writing a thesis, preparing for exams, or conducting literature reviews. Coral AI not only enhances productivity but also empowers users to focus on critical analysis and application of the information rather than getting bogged down in lengthy documents. As you consider your own experiences with managing large texts, think about how Coral AI could have transformed your approach to research and study, making your academic journey more efficient and effective. Hostinger's AI-powered website builder is a game-changer for anyone looking to create a professional website in under a minute. The process begins with the simplicity of inputting essential business information, such as your company name, industry, and preferred style. Once this information is provided, the artificial intelligence swiftly generates a fully functional website tailored to your needs. The platform also boasts intuitive drag-and-drop features, allowing users to easily customize their site without any technical expertise. Additionally, built-in AI tools assist in content creation, ensuring that your website not only looks great but also communicates your message effectively. For those venturing into e-commerce, Hostinger offers a search engine optimization assistant that optimizes your site for search engines, helping you attract more visitors. Furthermore, the product creation features streamline the process of adding items to your online store, making it easier than ever to manage your inventory. With these powerful tools at your disposal, Hostinger's website builder empowers entrepreneurs to establish their online presence quickly and efficiently, paving the way for business growth and success. Do Not Pay is an innovative AI tool designed to assist individuals in navigating various legal issues with ease. It addresses a wide range of legal problems, including contesting parking tickets, filing small claims, canceling subscriptions, and even handling immigration paperwork. By simplifying complex legal processes, Do Not Pay takes the stress out of dealing with legal matters, allowing users to focus on what truly matters. The platform streamlines the often cumbersome paperwork associated with legal issues, providing step-by-step guidance and automated forms that eliminate the need for extensive legal knowledge. This user-friendly approach demystifies the legal landscape, making it accessible to everyone. At its core, Do Not Pay is driven by a mission to empower individuals against corporations and bureaucracies that often overwhelm them with legal jargon and procedures. By providing easy-to-use tools and resources, Do Not Pay levels the playing field, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to assert their rights and seek justice without the burden of high legal fees. With Do Not Pay, individuals can confidently tackle their legal challenges and reclaim their time and peace of mind. Adobe Firefly is an innovative tool that empowers users to generate stunning graphics and images simply by entering text prompts. This intuitive approach allows anyone, regardless of their design skills, to create visually appealing content tailored to their specific needs. What sets Adobe Firefly apart from other image generators is its integration with Adobe's extensive suite of creative tools, ensuring high-quality outputs that align with professional standards. The platform leverages advanced AI algorithms to interpret user prompts, producing unique visuals that capture the intended message and style. Additionally, Adobe Firefly is continuously evolving, with exciting upcoming features that will expand its capabilities to include video generation. This means users will soon be able to create dynamic video content using the same text-based prompts, further enhancing their creative possibilities. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Adobe Firefly is poised to revolutionize the way individuals and businesses approach graphic design, making it easier than ever to bring ideas to life through captivating visuals and engaging video content. Twain AI is an advanced AI writing tool designed to enhance the quality of your writing, making it an essential resource for anyone looking to improve their communication skills. This innovative platform assists users by refining grammar, adjusting tone, and optimizing structure, ensuring that your writing is not only clear but also impactful. Whether you're crafting an email, drafting a report, or creating content for social media, Twain AI versatility caters to a wide range of writing needs and channels. It adapts to various styles and formats, allowing you to maintain your unique voice while benefiting from its intelligent suggestions. By leveraging Twain AI, you can elevate your everyday writing tasks, transforming mundane text into polished, professional content. This tool is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who regularly engages in written communication. As you navigate your daily writing challenges, consider utilizing Twain AI to streamline your process and enhance your output. With its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities, Twain AI empowers you to express your ideas more effectively and confidently, making it an invaluable addition to your writing toolkit. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has gained recognition for its versatility across various applications, from content creation to customer support. With the anticipated release of ChatGPT 5, users can expect significant improvements in its capabilities, including enhanced understanding of context, more nuanced responses, and greater accuracy in generating information. These advancements will further solidify ChatGPT's role in enhancing productivity across a wide range of tasks, allowing users to streamline their workflows and accomplish more in less time. Whether you're drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, or conducting research, ChatGPT can assist by providing instant feedback and suggestions tailored to your needs. Its ability to learn from interactions means that it continually improves, adapting to your preferences and style. As you consider how to integrate ChatGPT into your daily routines, think about the potential it holds for transforming your approach to work. By exploring its features and capabilities, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity, making ChatGPT an invaluable asset in your professional toolkit. Embrace the future of productivity and discover how ChatGPT can elevate your workflows to new heights. Ocean is an innovative B2B tool designed to help businesses identify their target customers with precision and efficiency. This data-driven approach not only enhances your understanding of potential clients but also streamlines the sales process, allowing your team to engage with leads that are more likely to convert. With Ocean, Businesses can save valuable time and resources by eliminating the guesswork involved in customer targeting. The platform's user-friendly interface ensures that even those with minimal technical expertise can navigate its features effortlessly. By providing actionable insights and recommendations, Ocean empowers businesses to make informed decisions and optimize their outreach strategies. The efficiency it brings to the customer identification process allows teams to concentrate on building relationships and closing deals, ultimately driving growth and success. Embrace Ocean as your go-to solution for identifying target customers and watch your sales efforts transform into a more focused and effective endeavor. Autopod is a cutting-edge tool designed to assist content creators in streamlining their video editing processes, making it an invaluable resource for podcasters and video producers alike. One of its standout features is the automation of various video editing tasks, such as cutting out silences, adding transitions, and syncing audio with video. This automation significantly reduces the time spent on tedious editing, allowing creators to focus on crafting compelling content rather than getting bogged down in technical details. For podcasters, this means they can produce high-quality episodes more efficiently, ultimately increasing their output and engagement with audiences. The time-saving benefits of Autopod extend beyond just editing. It also simplifies the process of creating promotional clips and highlights, making it easier to share content across social media platforms. As you consider how to enhance your content creation workflow, think about the potential of Autopod to elevate your video production. By integrating this powerful tool into your editing routine, you can unlock new levels of creativity and productivity, ensuring your content stands out in a crowded digital landscape. Each of these tools offers unique benefits that can transform your workflow and elevate your projects. Now check out this video for more affiliate marketing secrets. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.